Hey team, and welcome to today's tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to walk you through the process of recovering a document that you have either accidentally deleted or accidentally ruined. So here I am inside Google Classroom. I'm pretending that I'm a student. Over here on the right-hand side, it has my name, and then it has the document that the teacher has shared with me. Now, it's your job to click right here on your name in order to open the document. But if you're not careful and you scoot over to the X right here and you click on the X, teacher, I just deleted the assignment. Friends, it is so easy to fix that mistake. All you need to do is click right there where it says make a copy. When you click make a copy one time, it takes about 20 seconds, and then that document will magically reappear right there. Now, if you were almost halfway done with the document when you did that, you're probably not going to have access to that content. Your teacher may have the capacity to go into the original in his or her folder and copy that content and then give it back to you, but I can't make you any promises. Most of the time, it's just going to go straight back to the beginning, like you're starting all over again. So please be careful. Try to avoid that X over there on the right-hand side if needed. I'm going to click on this document one time to go ahead and open it. Now, let's pretend that you are in a document, and let's pretend that the cat walks across your keyboard and the cat somehow selects half of your document and then deletes it, and you weren't paying attention. And let's pretend that you close that document. The next time you go back into that document, it's going to show you what was on the screen when you left previously. And if you come over here to the undo button is not going to work because the undo button only works during the session that you are in. It won't go back to yesterday or the last time that you were in the document. So you have two ways to fix this. You can go back to the assignment and you can click the X and delete it and start over if you want to. Your other option is that when you are inside of the document, you actually have the history of the document. It doesn't say history, but right up here, it gives you a timeline on the last time that you edited or made adjustments to the document. And if you click right here, mine said that the last edit was seconds ago. I'm going to click right there on those words. And when I click on those words over here, I have the very beginning of the document where nothing was removed. Or I have this version of the document where you can see how there are lines located through all of the content that was deleted. I want to go back in history to the very beginning when the document started and it had everything in there that I needed. So I'm going to click down here on the bottom. So I'm going to start over from the very beginning and everything's going to magically come back. The next thing I need to do is I need to scoot over here to this blue button that says restore this version. And when I click restore this version, it's going to confirm with me, are you sure that you want to restore this? So I'm going to click restore one time right here. And when I do that, all of the content that was previously removed has now been returned to this document. So friends, if you make mistakes in the document, you either have this button over here where you can remove and delete and get rid of the document and start all over brand fresh new, or your other option is choosing the history button. And by using the history button, you can go back in history to figure out where you were last to choose from one of those previous versions. This list is going to keep getting longer the more you work in the document. So if you've worked on that document over the course of an entire week, then each of those times you worked on the document, it's going to appear here. If you were halfway into the document and made some mistakes, then just scoot down to the version that works best for you and then go ahead and head back into history to find the one that's perfect. Friends, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial and have a great day.